This is the entity amplifying helicopter as I'm capturing the fake sun that's over me. Yes, DOMINIC, CHOI, and the terrorist organization that are the LAP in concert with the people all day long while I take the same trail I took at 2:33 in the afternoon while Sang Lee was being a demon stalking in a laundry room on behalf of that corrupt law enforcement agency. That's why you see the lights are still here. Remember at 2:33 in the afternoon. Remember this morning during the 11 o'clock hour, I'm at the same property and I told you what was happening while it's over the top of my head. Hours later, now it's 5 o'clock and it's right here over me at the same property. This is what the entity is doing. It's rising, remaining over my head all day long and then setting, which is how you get this while the entity is stalking in a helicopter while I'm capturing pictures of a fake sun, speaking to their demon possession, while at that great distance over there, they're sounding helicopter activity, stalking with the people while I'm in operation of my communication device, and Carlo Lopez's group stalking. He's going to federal prison. That represents speaker companies because Heather Till is going to federal prison. This is the light source that's over my head in the same way that you see over the top of the building when I'm walking down this down this sidewalk path after lunch at 2 o'clock, at 1 o'clock, at 12 o'clock, when I'm going during my break at 10 o'clock. This is what I'm documenting. This is not the sun. This is a light source that's still over the same property, and it is nowhere near the Paul Bryan Library, by the way. And the entity is doing so while it is then going to maintain in the same way that you see me walk away from the building like this, and then I walk back toward the building. You see the light source keeping in alignment with this. Is very demonic. It is as demonic as that light activity you saw inside of that laundry room. Okay? And these are all demons living on a property that are engaging in now what is the sex offense while I am inside of my private space. And those demons are stalking in helicopters while engineered light that you see in the laundry room today, while light is levitating, and I put that in air quotes, light is levitating on the upper portion of the wall because I'm subject to surveillance inside of my apartment, where this light source will then remain in alignment to my bedroom window. That is, again, rising in alignment to me, setting in alignment to me. This is the pattern of conduct of federal group stalking and monitoring. It's currently 5:03 p.m. and like I said, the demon possessed that are surrounded with evidence of their condition and their criminal conduct, they continue to provide me a wealth of documentation. And that is providence, because the Lord Jesus wants you to know what's going on in the world, and he also wants you to witness justice. That's called crossing a path and doing so in plain sight. That impunity is why Heather Till's going to federal prison. P.O.C.